That column. So they're called skim diggers, and they would take the top, it could be 6 inches, but usually it was 5 or 6 feet, and they would mine that and stack the rocks, and then once you made a hole, you take the rocks and stack it in the hole, you move over, you stack the rocks again, and you end up with these columns where there's enough of it to make it worth actually digging there, spending some time and what have you. So we're going to touch on that a little bit. In the auto body world, if you sand your car and it beats like that, the paint won't stick. And in the gold panning world, if you try to pan with this pan undone, but the way the water should look is like this. It starts to sheet. This is not done, but this part is. It's getting better anyway. You can see how it sheets instead of beating. They're more like a 1/2 inch or 3/4. So now you have a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch material in the Sluice box, and that's competing with this tiny, tiny Salmon River gold. And the gold doesn't really have any, you can't compete with the bigger material. If you get gold and it lands in a ripple, and then a rock comes down and inside it, it actually flushes water, and it just leaves the gold and it moves further down and down. Pretty soon it is out. So you got to get what they call particle equivalency. You need to get, if you're getting big gold, you can run it with big material and still get it. No, unless you start to build up, like if you start to fill up a lot of
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Working it down. Then, got another little trick here to show you. The Salmon River, a lot of the black sand is magnetite, which is magnetic. If I do this, although the gold is not magnetic, it gets caught. It gets trapped by this magnetic sand. And the neat thing about this is when you bounce it, it releases because the magnet hops, and so it releases all the material. But you don't want to do it like that because you'll lose a bunch of your gold. So I'm going to shake the gold back to the bottom since I messed it all up. So the gold's in the bottom, and this is how I like to do it. You don't want to, you want the magnetite to have to jump out of the bottom of the pan and come up to the magnet. And if it does that, it's loose enough that it won't clump up and take the gold with it. So I just put my hand in here as protection, and I keep this up about 1 inch, and I just fluff everything up, and the gold's pretty much staying in the bottom, and even if it's not, there's no big clumps, and then you can get rid of a lot of this black sand with a magnet. And then you hop it. I'm going to stick around for the afternoon, by the way, for anybody that, if somebody wants to run another tank of gas and then take that gold home with you, I'll help you clean it up. You're more than welcome to. There it's going. It goes quick. Thank you. We got a card playoff here. All right, put all the cards, just put them on the table, and we'll draw again. 2 of the aces are gone. You think you can draw another one? Is it these 2?
Yep.
All right. Here you go.
Pick another one.
Sounds good.
Have the aces right next to each other.
You got Jack. Oh, it's the Jack. Oh, you do.
No, you
Just 2, right?
Yeah,
Okay, just the 2.
Good pick,
So
Luca.
the Jack,
so
you win.
Luca won again.
You got the ball.
Are you taking us to lunch?
I have a little goal for everybody to take home.
Sweet.
Artlist.io.